Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. Today is a beautiful day. Not only is it beautiful outside with some sunshine, it's beautiful inside because we have the new Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro. I said Pro, yes I did. And we're looking forward to whipping this out and taking it for a test run, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, before we do open it up, top link in the description box right below the video, top link. That's going to be the direct link for this Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro, where you guys can go over and read more about it. Now, also check this out. Manscaped is hooking you guys up with 20% off and free shipping. That link will take you over to their website. That 20% off and free shipping will automatically be applied with that link if you do decide to purchase it. Again, top link in the description box below. Let's get this guy out. As we're getting this out, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to mention bada bing. Ooh. You're like, Chris, what were you going to mention? Look at that, case number one. This does have travel safe technology. So there's a travel lock on it, so it doesn't turn on by accident. It's a really cool feature. This does have skin safe technology as well. It is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. You do have your little brochure, as we can see right here, all of that fun stuff. Inside the trimmer is a 600 milliamp hour battery. Full runtime is going to be 1 hour of trimming, plenty of time to trim, and recharging from a dead battery is 90 minutes. Very nice case as well. And the case might even be waterproof as well. It's a really nice case. Okay, inside, ladies and gentlemen, we have our little zipper right here, which is going to hold all our accessories. Let's bring those out real quick. And let's put this off to the side real quick. Okay, inside the accessories, we're going to have a braided USB to USB Type-C charging cable. They also give you a wall adapter, which I'm glad they do. USB port in the back. Of course, we've seen those before. They do give you a cleaning brush as well. And they give you 2 trim guards right here for your leg or arm hair, chest hair if you want to trim it a little bit longer, or keep it longer, I should say, than going down to 0. So those trim guards, again, there's 2 of them, and this one is going to be 2, 4, and 6 size. This one's going to be 8, 10, and 12. And they click on in different sizes. I'll show you that in just a second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming to our trimmer right here. You got a nice elastic band right there to keep it nice and snug while you do travel. I really want to go to France here in a little bit, so just pop that into my luggage bag, and we're looking absolutely fantastic. Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro. All right, first and foremost, right off the bat, we have a nice, beautiful silicone handle right here with a nice gloss finish up here, as we can see, just the very top. The silicone handle comes all the way around this side, as well as this side right here. Alrighty, that looks really beautiful. We got an LED indicator light right here. We have an on and off button right here, our travel lock button right here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And we are fully charged, ready to go already. There's 3 bars there. So as those bars dip down, you'll know the battery percentage remaining. Again, fully charged battery, 60 minutes of runtime. Our LED light with our nice diffuser, as we can see right here, and very quiet as well. Let's go ahead and turn that off. All right, so again, this is waterproof rated. You can take this in the shower, trim in the shower. To clean it, simply just pop off your blade just like that. Rinse it, pop it back on when you're ready to go, just like we can see right there, or take your brush, clean in there. If you don't want to rinse it, pop it back on just like that there. Very smooth, very nice. It's a good handle there with that silicone handle around both sides. And let's go ahead and show you how to use the blade guards here. So the blade guards slip right on top. So the first click is going to be 6, because obviously that's the longest. One more click is going to be 4, and then one more click is going to be 2. Simply just slides right off, as we can see, if you need to use those blade guards, which I trim my legs and arm hair, and we'll show you that, of course. I've grown out my arm hair and leg hair specifically for examples for this video. So let's go ahead and use it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro. Now, a different situation is I'm looking a little too scruff. If you haven't already watched my full video on the Manscaped Beard Hedger, does a great job. I need to get this thing trimmed, not to mention my hair as well. That's another time for another story. Check that out while you look at the top link in the description box below. Okay, so I've grown out my arm hair and we're looking absolutely fantastic there. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and we're gonna go ahead and show you it just ripping down the corridor right there like that. Let me really get after it here so you can kind of just see the difference, especially with the blade. Take a look at that, huh? Just ripping straight through. Let me get down here a little bit here. This is always a nice spot right here. Trim it up. I just like to have a little bit more leaner definition. That's why I like to get rid of the hair on my arms. Just ripping it. Look at that. Beautiful. This is a lot easier than straight shaving. You can do it on dry land. You, of course, take this in the shower if you want. And the sensitive areas right here, take a look at this, just ripping straight through the sensitive area right there, getting all that hair. And oh, look at that. Look at that. Then just get your little brush. Of course, pop the top off. Rinse that if you want to. And of course, I'll finish that off camera, but where I did it, nice and smooth. Use your blade if you don't want to go all the way down. Use your blade, your provided blade. I'm going to do that on my leg hair. And then obviously for your chest, getting around your areas around here, your sensitive areas, and then not to mention your armpit hair, which sometimes gets a little too long, and you want to go ahead and trim up the different areas right here. And I always like to get right through here as well, especially if tank top season is coming in. And then obviously right through your areas here, I have a mole right here, and you can go right over the top of your mole. As you can see, getting any belly button hair, you guys get the idea. And not to mention, getting any curly cues, little back hair down here as well. Okay, now I'm going to use it on my leg hair. Off camera, I used it below the belt all around, finished up my armpits, and it did an absolute fantastic job. No nicks, no cuts. Great job on the Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro. All right, now I'm going to use number 12 for the legs, see what that looks like. And I'll just kind of show you a small example here. Might have to go a little bit lower, but it is cutting. And then do the rest off camera, of course, just to save you some time and effort. So yeah, we're ripping through there. Looking fantastic. Again, I'll do the rest off camera. Overall, very impressed. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back, and the Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro did an absolute fantastic job on camera as well as off camera, of course. Very impressed. As well, the Manscaped Beard Hedger, use that. Looking really crispy here as well, and looking forward to any new products that are coming out. They do a fantastic job. Once again, guys, if you want to get 20% off and free shipping. Who doesn't love free shipping? Top link in the description box below. That discount will automatically be applied at checkout using that link. Check out their Beard Hedger. Check out the Manscaped 4.0 Pro. They have a plethora of products, not to mention I'm wearing their boxers right now. Excellent. Again, top link in the description box below. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as DIY house renovation project videos, tech-related videos, and more. Thank you for your time. Top link in the description box below. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.